This video is for my girlies who sweat on a forehead area and cannot wear the spray and the glue to hold the wig down. This is for you. This is for us. And ain't nobody got time to have glue residue or spray residue all up in your face. So this one's for you. This one's for you.
You, my number one.
Let me stop playing. Hey loves. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Solangie, and if you're not new, welcome back. In today's video, like I said, I will be installing, or just putting on really, this glueless lace wig from myfirstwig. So if you're interested, stay tuned and keep on watching. Hey loves, so I already put on my wig cap. I did not do the ball cap method. You can if you want to, but this is supposed to be like a quick and easy type of vibe, like plop the wig and go. So the ball cap method, we're not gonna do that today. We're not gonna do that over here. But if you wanna do that, by all means, do what it do, boo. But like I said, I put on the cap and I sprayed it with this tinted lace spray in the color medium dark brown. This wig cap is not my color, so I had to make it my color. It's pretty self-explanatory, so that's why I sprayed it. I also sprayed the wig lace with this. So this wig is from, like I said in the beginning of the video, it's from myfirstwig. This wig comes lightly bleached and pre-plucked. It has the 2 combs on the side and the comb in the back. It has the adjustable straps right here, and it has the elastic band right here. This elastic band is different from what I'm used to. I'm used to seeing the elastic bands with the Velcro on it, which I didn't like very much because pull my the back of my hair and it will hurt me. So I feel like the hooks are perfect, and you can adjust them to your liking because it comes with multiple holes for the hooks. I'm gonna be hooking it on the last one just so it can be as tight as possible. The only thing the wig came with was with the lace that I cut already. It also comes with lace in the back. If you want to do a high bun or a high ponytail, that's what that's there for. I also cut it. I didn't really cut it neatly, but yeah. I don't think I'm going to be doing a high bun or a high ponytail. So I didn't really care too much about this. But yeah, it's there if you need it, basically. So like I said, I'm going to be putting the details down below. Again, this is from myfirstwig. This video is not sponsored whatsoever. This is my first time wearing a glueless wig. I purchased this wig around November of last year, and I believe there was like some type of sale for it for Christmas, like an early Christmas sale. I don't necessarily remember, like I said, because it's been a while, but yeah, the wig took a while to get here. And I had to email myfirstwig customer service to see what was going on. And I must say, they replied to my email right away. They were very apologetic to the lateness of giving me the tracking number. They even gave me a coupon on my next wig purchase. And yeah, like they were just so sweet and so nice that like I was okay with the wig getting here whenever. Like I said, like I didn't buy the wig specifically for anything. Like as you can see, I'm wearing it now and I bought it in November. But this is just the perfect time to wear this wig because like I said, I am the girly who sweats. Your girl is going to the gym now, so that's extra sweat. And I need something that I don't have to worry about having glue running down my face or the spray running down my face type shit, you know? So let's put this wig on together and see what it do. Okay. Ooh. Y'all, this, y'all see this? Wait. I want to do what all the girlies is doing when I be seeing the little ads and stuff. Hold on. Y'all. Yo, I'm so hype, y'all. This wig already fits snug. Like it fits, like it's on my head and it doesn't feel tight like I'm gonna get a headache. So imagine if I use the combs on the side, it'll be extra snug. I like, this is, I'm shocked.
The woman was too stunned to speak.
I need to get more wigs like this. I don't think I could go back. I don't think I could go back, y'all. This, especially during the summer, cause it's hot. It's summertime in New York. I'm going to Jamaica next month. I'm about to take this wig with me. You guys, like, this is like, y'all, like, no glue, no spray. I usually use this spray. I don't really like the glue, to be honest, because the glue, like I said, I sweat, and what it does is it'll revert back to white because it's been wet. So the glue seeps through the lace and it just looks crazy. So I stopped using glue entirely because of that. So I usually use the lace spray. I use all of them, the black one, the yellow one, and the red one. Whichever one I grab first is what I use. If I had to choose, I would say the black one is the best. But like I said, I use all of them. But when I put this spray on and I'm sweating, if I'm doing too much, the sweat and the spray just trickles down the side of my face and my whole face is sticky. And it's just so uncomfortable. I don't know if that's ever happened to you guys. Let me know in the comments if it has. I'm trying to be real here. Like, the spray and the glue, like I said, it's cute, but if you a sweaty girly, but no, like, I got you all. This is it. This is it. And I could just take it off without worrying about my edges. I can just take it off without having to like put some oil to like massage the glue out or massage the spray out. I could just plop this thing on and just go about my business. Where have you been all my life? Like, hello? This is awesome. And I'm going to Miami in like 4 days. I still have to pack. So this is just one less thing I have to worry about. And it's hot over there too. So this is the perfect wig, y'all. Perfect wig. If you made it this far into the video, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. And yeah, thank you again so much for watching. Later, loves.